build just one more house as a personal favor. The carpenter agreed and started working on the last project of his life. But since it was his last project, he worked half-heartedly. He said goodbye to overtime. He did not consider to find the best cement mixture, nor having a swimming pool in his project. He did not use the quality wood for the doors, and nor the furniture was of good quality. The employer called the carpenter in his office and gave the keys of the newly built house to the carpenter, saying, "This is my gift to you for your such a commendable service over 15 years." The carpenter was shocked. What a shame! If he had known that he was building his own house, then would he have done it so carelessly? No, he would have done it so differently. Someone once said, life is a do-it-yourself project. Your attitude and the choices you make today help you build the house you live in tomorrow. Therefore, build it wisely. Thank you and have a great day ahead.
Defined as process of developing and enhancing one's personality. Personality development helps us individual to gain the confidence and high self-esteem. Personality development also is said to have a positive impact on one's communication skill. If you want to improve your life, you need to improve your personality first. The importance of personality development is huge because our personality reflects our way of thinking, our behavior and attitude. Today I would like to tell you 10 tips on personality development. So first one is that be confident. So if you are in full of confident and well in command of the situation, then it becomes really easy for you to give out your best performance. You handle the situation easiest way and you are able to control your fears. Second, improved communication skill. Possessing good communication skill is very important both for person and professional life. People are more receptive to what you say if they are impressed with your personality. Third, develop positive attitude. These type of people analyze any situation and try to find the appropriate solution for the same. They know if there is a problem, then there will be a solution for them and they will try to solve that particular problem. Next, fourth number, you must dress properly. You don't judge, somebody says that you don't judge a book by its cover. People judge people by their clothing and how it's worn. Your dress plays an important role in your life, in your personality development. It does not mean that buying expensive clothes will do the particular job. Fifth, be a good learner. You can enhance your knowledge by reading a particular newspaper, magazine, and watch the information programs on TV. 6. Keep yourself fit. It means that you require a healthy body. So, your look and your physical health is important for good play, health for the personality development. Next, 7. Speaking style. It is very important that you maintain a good speaking style and expression as well. Most of the successful people maintain a unique style of speaking. 8. Be optimistic. In order to have a personality, your thought need to be positive. You don't think negative, you don't listen the negative, and try to find the solution for that one. 9th, meet new people. So when you are meeting the new people, you are communicate with the people and you have a knowledge regarding that language as well as what is happening around the world. Last but not the least, have a sense of humor. It means that a well-developed sense humor helps you to stay positive in your day-to-day life. In any difficulty situation, you will be having a smiling face. So for improving your personality, these 10 things are very important. You should also follow these 10 things and be a good person in your life. Thank you and have a nice day ahead.
That all of you forgot to encourage the children who have planned it, who have participated. So let's celebrate. I thank the teacher and the students for explaining the topic so wonderfully, for choosing it, because it's a big part of our success. Having a good personality tells us and others around us that we have learned well, very well. I would just like to add one thing to the 10 tips Jai sir has so wonderfully shared with us, that we should greet people often. I will share one of my observations that smaller children greet more often than the senior ones. I mean wishing good morning, good afternoon, acknowledging that you have seen the other person. Greeting somebody means you have seen them and you are happy to see them. So it's a good practice. And the other thing is that girls greet more often than the boys. So if the boys are of the senior section, they will try to avoid eye contact. When they are from the junior classes, they will try to catch your attention and say hi, how happy they are to see you. So I am very happy to see all of you today. We are done with our annual day. You, along with your teachers, have worked so nicely, so tirelessly for it, and we have been able to present a very mesmerizing, very grand show in the form of our annual day. Now we are gearing up towards the end of the year and gradually towards the end of the session. 9th and 11th will have their next PA exam, followed by an early annual, and 10th and 12th we must be almost on the verge of finishing their syllabus and will be gearing up for the next examinations and towards their board examination. Team spirit was the main reason we did so well in the annual day. So I hope we will all support each other. When I say team, I mean the team of the teachers and the students, both of you. So support each other, help each other, create a good environment for which we are known. When we create a good environment, people who are say a little stressed or a little demotivated, they are also supported by it. So be the good influence as a friend, as a student in the lives of the people around you. Create a good environment, good atmosphere of academics in the class. Inspire yourself, stay motivated, and do well to inspire others. Have a very happy morning, children. Have a good day. God bless you.